WRTV had a reporter in Florida to help our sister station in Fort Myers with Hurricane Ian coverage. Our Rachael Wilkerson is now back home with us now. But Rachael, you were in Fort Myers when the storm hit. I can only imagine what that was like. Can you explain to us what you saw and, what these communities are now facing?
Hurricane Ian is life-changing for many Floridians. It was surreal to see the damage in Fort Myers, Naples, and surrounding areas. The storm surge was so intense, I could see right through several homes that families poured their heart and souls into. Pictures, baby clothes, children's toys, mattresses, couches, and more were thrown into people's front yards. Boats were in trees, and cars were floating down streets. It was a scene residents say they weren't prepared for. Lee County residents were told to evacuate less than 24 hours before Hurricane Ian made landfall. While around 4,000 people rushed to shelters, many tried to ride out the storm. They were devastated as they watched their communities be forever changed.
We lost everything. We lost the food. We lost everything, furniture, TVs, everything inside. The water level went up to 5 feet inside of the house.
I had to talk about it. It's emotional because this is my home and this is everyone else's home. And just seeing the faces of people that have been coming to the first floor, just from what I've witnessed, my neighbors, and walking into their condos and seeing the damage, it's hard.
Several residents lost everything. Many told me Hurricane Ian is the worst hurricane they've ever lived through.
And Rachael, now that you're back home, I can only imagine, but what was that experience like for you personally to be there and to see all that?
It was heartbreaking.
Yeah.
I mean, just seeing all of their reactions, and it was emotional. Many thought that the eye of the storm was headed towards Tampa, and it quickly shifted towards Fort Myers. I could feel the powerful wind as the storm made landfall. I could see videos of the storm surge being sent in from residents, and there was a sense of fear for many of them. Hours later, going into the communities and seeing the damage left behind is something I won't forget. Residents were emotional, but they were sticking together, and that togetherness is what they say is helping them get through this.